So I think I should be more sorry and stay quiet on the topic that I have not uploaded any videos, but now I'll try my best to be consistent with my work. So yeah, to restart this journey, today I'm going to share this beautiful ocean blue metallic eye makeup look with muted lips. So this is the look I created today, which I'll be sharing with you. If you're wondering, this funky loose chain, which is really gives that embellished look.
So look how clean. So yes, if you are wondering, this funky loose golden chain, I bought this
From an online Instagram page. Its name is Lashkara Collection. If I get the link, I will put that in my description box. Along with this, I will try to put all the products I have used into the description box along with the shades. So yes, so do not forget to check out the description box as well. So if you like this look, do like the video, share with your friends, and comment how you feel about this look and what next you want to see. So last time what the video I did was on very soft smoky eyes. This time I want it to be very extra glamorous. So this is what I came up with. So let's quickly jump into the video. Without a further ado, let's get started. So I'm very excited for today's video because I'm shooting this video after ages. So yes. So we will start with skincare, and the moisturizer I'm going to use this Pond's Light Gel Super Light Gel Moisturizer. This cream or this moisturizer is best for oily skin types in summers and in winters as well. But if you are a dry skin person, then I must say you can only use this in summers, not in winters. Taking this much amount only, this gel gets absorbed into your skin like you haven't applied anything on your face, but keeps your skin hydrated all day long and gives you very certain kind of glow. So yes, and its fragrance is really refreshing. So yes, and I think this is a gel based moisturizer, so you can also use it as your primer because it gives that soft and smooth layer on your skin. So I will just massage it nicely into my skin, on my neck as well. So yes, I can feel that soft smooth layer on my face. But to be on safer side, I will also apply primer to
smooth for more soothing and smoother primer. Sorry, application.
Bella Voste mattifying lightweight and smoothing primer. This primer is a good dupe for Color Bar primer. It gives same finish and same kind of texture at the half price. So yes, it is tinted primer, by the way. I like to massage the primer into my face with the help of my fingers only. I came across this Swiss Beauty concealer, the shade 1. I will let you know in my description box. So this concealer is turned out as lifesaver for me because it magically hides my dark circles, and you know that dark circle is biggest skin issue I am having. So yes, I'm gonna apply it on the areas I have pigmentation, like under eyes, forehead, and this cheekbone around my face. As now I'm gonna blend it, and yeah, it also blends like a dream, as you can see. I'm just dabbing it. Trust me, this product has made my makeup game so easy, so much better than before. I think now onwards I cannot survive without this product. Once the this situation, this corona situation calm down bit, I'm gonna restock this product. Like seriously, this is such a beauty. Space beauty. As you can see, I am not putting that product to my bottom line close to bottom line, not much, because if you do that, then your eyes look so smaller. Now you can say they look small. For Wet and Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette, banana powder. I'm gonna set my under eyes with this only. I'm using this Lakme Absolute Illuminating Foundation. I'm going to shake it very nicely before applying it. मैंने डर लग रहा है कि अब एकदम गाढ़ा ना पैर में कम करके. Oh my god, it has very good fragrance. Going to take this flat kabuki brush. Oh god, its fragrance is just making me hungry. Oh shit. Actually this palette which I'm going to use today has a khatarnak fallout. I should have done my eye makeup first. This foundation is very thick and its blendability is not that good. So what I will do is, I'm taking this Shy Styles The Makeup Story Natural Finish Makeup Setting Spray on my face. It will not only help me in blending my foundation, but it will also make my base lasting longer. This is SFR Pro Color Studio eyeshadow palette, and this has two shades, brown and grey. I will mix these two to groom my eyebrows very lightly, just filling the gaps. I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade medium, I remember, and gonna prime my eyes with this. I'm going to use this Beauty Glazed Color Fusion eyeshadow palette. This has like very good range of colors. You will get all vibrant colors, and along with pastels, matte, shimmers, one glitter shade. The drawbacks are they give huge fallouts, and some of the shades are not that pigmented, especially this blue range. So I really have to dig into the color to get that pigmentation. So in that order only, I will not set my concealer. Instead, I will directly put on the color. Today I am in mode to play with colors. So starting our eye makeup, I am going to take this color right here, this color, and this blue, electric blue color on a pencil brush. I am going to place this color on my crease. I'm not putting the color to my inner crease. I'm not even taking it like this very edgy or sharpy look. I want it to be slightly curvy. एंगल्ड आई शेडो ब्रश जो कि फ्लैट भी है और थोड़ा सा इसमें फ्लफीनेस भी है. टू टेक दिस कलर ओनली on this brush, dust off the excess. I am going to place this color on the crease, and above the crease. I'm blending the edges of that violet color. I'm blending it in back and forth motion dust off the excess powder. Just to my lower lash line, I will put this nude Wet n Wild Calling You a Buff kajal on my bottom on my waterline. I'm taking this slanted brush only, and whatever product I'm having on it, I will just put that on my lower lash line. So now I'm taking this Hilary Rhoda palette and taking this black shade. This is shimmery shade, beautiful and very pigmented, soft, and I'm gonna put this on my center eyelid. Extra glamorous. I'm taking this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. Its name is, I think, Midtown Moon, something like that. So I'm taking this eyeshadow. I'm going to put on my eyelid. Now I'm going to apply eyeliner with this Felt pen eyeliner. ये जो लाइनर है ना, this came with my eyelashes combo, and you can easily buy this from Amazon, and it has glossy finish. So if you like glossy eyeliners, then you are good to go. Moreover, when you are applying any pen eyeliner, make sure you keep the pen for few seconds in this direction, नहीं तो ये बीच में बंद हो जाता है. This is Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara. If you are buying any of Maybelline's mascaras, do buy washable ones, because these waterproof do not come off easily. It takes 2 days, like literally 2 days to come off completely. By the way, the lashes I used is from this Red Cherry. These look so voluminous and nice. I'm loving it. I'm taking this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, rose gold. इसके साथ I will highlight my eyebrows in the corners. So before starting my face makeup, I'm just going to dust off the excess on this. I will bronze my cheekbones. I've slightly pressed the bristles from side and taking this bronzer shade, applying on nose. Because we are doing the smoky eyes, I want my face to be very lifted up. So I am using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer to brighten up my under eyes.